roofs. I wonder if you could do that to a bedroom. Wow, I wish I was that hard of a sleeper. Do you guys sleep hard like that? I'm really easy to wake up. I really don't like it. Whenever, like, whenever we would go on family trips and you gotta share a hotel room with the whole family, I think I have, like, anxiety when I try and fall asleep. Even if I'm, you know, alone in my bed. But if I don't fall asleep quickly, I have this fear of not being able to sleep. I think because I'm gonna throw my dad under the bus here, but I have memories of road trip hotel stayovers and dad snoring, and you knew as soon as, like, I gotta fall asleep before dad does. If I don't fall asleep, I'm not gonna sleep because I can't sleep with dad snoring like that. And now I'm like, I have to. If I don't fall asleep really quickly, in the back of my head, I think, oh, I won't be able to fall asleep. Which isn't true, because it's just me and my blankets. It's so... It's like that... the snoring sound meme. It's real. Sorry, Dad. It is a race to sleep. It's so stressful. I don't like it. The dad snore.